But how could a confident, handsome worm eagle have trouble keeping friends? Good question.
Because of the way you look?
The way I...
Yeah, all sort of lumpy, red raw.
Oh my
No, because you look like a bit of a bigger animal that fell off or was removed and then came to life.
That's actually more like an old person's finger.
Reminds me of an infection I had up my old
I know, it's because you've got beady eyes like a rat.
You're just generally unlikable in a way that's hard to pin down.